Friedrich's new floating air ductless split systems with FastPro technology are the easiest and fastest ductless split systems to install and maintain. Let's take a closer look at what makes FastPro a revolutionary system for HVAC professionals. Easy installation. First, install the mounting plate. Then simply hang the AC onto it securely. Second, remove the trim panel. Once removed, open the cover and remove the screws. Next, open the front panel of the supply air outlet and push the slide bolts to lock the cover in the open position. If you desire more room, simply place the support bar at the bottom to increase the amount of installation space. Third, connect the refrigerant lines and the drain pipes. Next, connect the wiring in the control box. To finish, close the air outlet component as well as the front panel.